how to add a debit card to Remitly. So you want to load up the Remitly app, and once the app has loaded, we will click on Manage in the bottom right corner. Click on Manage, and then here you will see Payment Methods underneath Account Details. So click on Payment Methods, and you will see the option to add a payment method. Click on that. It's going to ask us whether we want to connect a bank account or a card, so we're going to click on Card. And here, as you can see, Visa and MasterCard are accepted. You will need to type the card number, expiration date, security code, name, and here you will need to also put your address. What you can do is also take a picture of the card by clicking on the little camera icon next to the card number. And afterwards, after you have filled out this information, you just want to click on Save, and this is going to add your debit card to Remitly. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.